Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ju Travel. For today's video, I'm doing another reaction. This time I'm going to react the new dance practice video moving version of MAZZEL with the song entitled Waterfall. So before proceeding to my reaction, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like buttons, click the notification bell in case I have a new video uploaded so that you'll be notified. So without any delay, let's proceed to this reaction. So I'm really excited for this one, guys, because this is their another dance practice video of them. So I really don't know what to expect. So guys, if you haven't seen any of my reaction to this amazing Japanese group MAZZEL, just check on my channel. So let's check this video of them. MAZZEL. Wow. Look at their dance studio. It seems like they're in the basement. Okie dokie. Wow. They move so well. Wow. They're really good. Wow, they're really fun to watch. Their dance choreography also, it's really good. They really execute well. Wow. They're so good. Look at the way they move. It's really perfect. Wow, guys, I really enjoy watching them. There's a dance practice video. It's beyond perfection. They're really good. Every execution they have when their dance choreography, it's really amazing. They're really on point. Wow. They move so well. The character, the attitude, the swag, it's perfect. They're really good. And I really like their dance choreography. It's really fits for the song. It's nice. Wow, MAZZEL, they're really good when it comes to singing and when it comes to dancing. Wow, this group, it's really fantastic. And I really like also their dance studio, guys. It seems like they're in the basement, so it's really unique. Oh. Their dance dynamic, it's really impressive, as well as their blockings. This is what I really like on moving version, guys, because the camera keeps moving. I really like their outfit. They look so sporty. Ooh. They look so sexy also. Wow, the voice. Wow. Look at their footworks. And the synchronization. It's really on point. It seems like you're watching one person's dancing only. Wow, guys. Their dance practice video, it's really fantastic. It's so beautiful to watch them. The synchronization, the dance move, The dance choreography, it's really on point. They're really good. As I mentioned a while ago, guys, that while watching MAZZEL, it seems like you're watching only one person because the synchronization is really intact and it's really on point, so it's really good. I really enjoy watching them. They dance so well, they dance so gracefully. Wow, MAZZEL. They're so good. So there you go, guys, my reaction to the dance practice moving version of MAZZEL with the song entitled Waterfall. So I guess this is a new song from them. So I'm just excited and waiting for their music video, if they will release a music video of this one, because the song, it's really upbeat, it's so nice, it's really hip hop. Wow. So guys, if you have any suggestion or any recommendation for me to react, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Until next time, bye for now. Yeah.